Ji, how are you? Good. Thank you. Who do you think? Mr. Manish Malhotra. He would have not let me enter this premises if I had not worn his outfit. But he is my favorite, as you all know. I wear him a lot, and he's one of the best designers we have in our country today. And it's always a pleasure. He makes me look and feel like a princess every time. I think, first of all, it's for such a great cause, which is what I'm most looking forward to, and which is why I'm even here, because giving women work means empowering them, and I feel that it's so important in today's world. So I think that is what the main reason I'm here for. Thank you.
Do you see any hope? What needs to be done to stop such injustice?
Just stricter punishment, I guess, which is what the entire nation is unanimously asking for. It's something that we should actually not even be asking. It's something that should be instilled into our children, our boys, right from the very beginning. Yeah, so I think in terms of upbringing, that needs to change. The boys need to be taught a better mentality, I guess. And as for people who still commit these crimes, I think the maximum punishment ever. This is unacceptable, and we as a nation have raised our voice today, and something needs to be done for sure. Yeah. Good evening, Sumit. How are you? Oh, thank you. Yes. जी, अब मैं खुल के बोल सकती हूँ. आप मुझे इतने टाइम से पूछते आ रहे हो, but finally Kalank has been announced, and I'm very excited. It's got a stellar star cast. I'm so excited to be working with all these wonderful people. In fact, with only Sanju sir I've worked, before in Son of Sardar, but the rest of them I'm going to be sharing screen space with for the first time, and so looking forward to it. I mean, Madhuri ji has been one of my favorite actresses for forever. And we've all looked up to her, so to be in the same frame with her, to be in the same film with her, to have my name next to her in the announcement was such an honor, and I'm super excited. Yes. Of course, I think everyone is. They've been one of the most iconic couples in Indian cinema, and it'll be great to watch them. Varun and Alia have been such a love couple. I'm pairing up with Aditya for the first time, so that'll be great as well. So really looking forward to it. Yeah. मैं जो अपने मन में आया, मैं जो करना चाहूँ मैं कर सकती हूँ. आई फील मुझ में उतना पोटेंशियल है. एक बात जो मैं ठान लेती हूँ तो आई कैन डू दैट. मैं बहुत और कुछ कर सकती थी. आई कुड हैव बीन एन आर्टिस्ट, आई कुड हैव बीन अ फैशन डिज़ाइनर, आई कुड हैव बीन अ स्टाइलिस्ट, आई कुड हैव बीन अ स्पोर्ट्स प्लेयर. तो आप क्या चाहते हैं मैं क्या बनूँ? थैंक यू वेरी मच. इसलिए मैं वो कर रही हूँ. Yes, Dabang 3 will be going on floors very soon. Prabhu sir is directing it, and of course I'm reprising my role of Rajjo. Chulbul Pandey will be there. So yeah, very exciting. Back to my roots, back to where it all began, back to where it started. So super excited. I'm Rajjo, so I mean it's a continuation of that. But the story is very exciting, and I can tell you it's going to be full masaledar and धमाकेदार. Yeah. Thank you. मुझे बुलाने आ गए. हाँ?
चलिए.